Hi, I'm Dan. My friend got a check for $822.47 as commission for a sale. He gets paid 5% on the commission. We are going to find out what the sale was, what the gross sale was. Now, since we know that 822.47 is 5% of the gross sale, which is unknown, so we'll label that as X. We'll put what he gets paid in commission as a nominal coefficient in decimal form. So we have 0.05x equals 82247. Divide each side by 0.05 and you get the answer, which is the sale was $16,449.40. Now he has another incentive at work. Any sale over $20,000 is awarded 5% commission on the first $20,000 and then 10% commission on anything over $20,000. So if someone were to receive a commission check of $1,250, how much is the gross sale? There's going to be two parts that make up this commission check. One part will be what part of the gross sale got 5%, which will be the first $20,000. The second part will be what part of the sale was the 10% commission, which was anything over $20,000 as part of the gross sale. So we will create an algebraic equation to solve this. X will be how much above $20,000 was the sale. And so we know that as part of the equation, we have to include the $1,000 that is always received once the sale hits $20,000, because it's always 5% of 20,000 will be 1,000. The percentage of this expressed as in a decimal form, this percentage expressed in a decimal format is going to be figured out by multiplying the amount of the commission by the amount that's above $20,000, and that's going to equal what we already know, which is the commission check, which is $1,250. So then this is our equation right here, and so then we solve for it, and 20,000 times 0.05 is 1,000. Then we have the 1,000 plus 0.1x equals $1,250. Subtract 1,000 from each side, and you've got 0.1x equals $250. And then divide each by 0.1, and x is 2,500. What that tells us is that $2,500 of the gross sale was above $20,000, and that was what was given 10% commission. So we add these two numbers together, 20,000 plus 2,500. So the total gross sale was $22,500. Now, there's also another incentive. Anything above $50,000 earns 15% commission. You'll have the first $20,000 earning 5% commission. You'll have then between $20,000 and $50,000 earns 10% commission, and anything above $50,000 as part of the sale earns 15% commission. So a commission check that comes in of $6,625, how much was the gross sale? Well, we're going to set up another algebraic equation here, and we're going to account for each part, and we're going to make it equal what we know the commission check to be. And what we don't know is how much of the gross sale was given 15% commission, because the other two parts are topped off. They're topped off at 20,000, earning 5%. Then between 20,000 and 50,000 is always going to be 30,000, and that's going to earn 10%. And so then we're going to add whatever was earned at 15%, which is the unknown, equals the commission check. So we'll have 1,000, 20,000 times 0.05 is going to be 1,000. 30,000 times 0.10 is going to be 3,000. Then plus 0.15x equals 6,625, the commission check. Add these two together, 4,000 plus 0.15x equals 6,625. Subtract 4,000 from each side, and then divide each side by 0.15, and we have 17,500. So $17,500 was given a commission of 15%, because that's the amount that was above 50,000. So then we're going to add up all the parts together, and 20,000, which is the amount that was given 5% commission, plus 30,000, which is the amount that was given 10% commission, plus 17,500, which is the amount that was given 15% commission. Those three numbers added together come to our final answer, which is $67,500, which was the amount of the gross sale.